Under iPhone, we'll quickly add a second email to iMessage, perfect if you use more than one address. Start on the home screen, then tap the gray Settings app. We'll zoom in so you can clearly see the Settings icon. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see Messages. Pause if you need, then tap Messages. You're now in the Messages settings screen. At the top, make sure the iMessage switch is turned on in green. Next, look for Send and Receive just below. Tap Send and Receive to open your iMessage addresses. This screen shows phone numbers and emails linked to iMessage. Now we'll add another email address. At the bottom, tap Add Another Email. A text field appears where you can type your new email address. Carefully type the email you want to use with iMessage. Double check spelling so messages go to the right place. Tap Done or Return. Your new email will appear under the list of addresses, showing verifying or unchecked for now. Apple will send a verification email. Open Mail or your email app, find Apple's message, and tap the verification link. After verifying, return the settings Messages Send and Receive. Your new email should now be checked and active. That's it. Your extra email is added to iMessage, so people can reach you on whichever address you choose.